Welcome, I'm David Geiger. U.S. ethanol stocks are at all-time highs again. The Ethanol Information Administration says ethanol inventories totaled nearly 26 million barrels last week, reaching levels not seen since the early days of the pandemic, April of 2020. Stockpiles are well above the industry forecast, while daily production dropped off slightly to just over a million barrels a day. The Midwest dropped its output to about 970,000 barrels a day. New updates for the Spot Market Hog Pandemic Program. The U.S. Department of Agriculture clarified the definition of a spot market sale and hog eligibility under a program designed to help producers who sold hogs between April and September of 2020. Hog producers can now submit documentation to support information provided on their application, including the number of hogs and how the price was determined. The payments are calculated by multiplying the number of eligible hogs by $54. The Farm Service Agency will accept applications through April 29th of 2022, which is a 2-week extension. Trade talks are set to start between the United Kingdom and the U.S. On March 21st, the two sides will start talks on mutual international trade priorities. U.S. Trade Representative Katherine Tai says the countries will discuss collaborating on easing supply chain congestion, decarbonizing their economies, promoting digital trade, and supporting each other's domestic workforce and labor rights. Right now, the trade relationship between both countries is worth $153 billion. And at the end of the week, our market analyst Alan Brugler has the recap.
Well, the market's still trying to shake off or interpret or digest the Russian invasion of Ukraine and what that does for long-term grain supplies, both in terms of Ukrainian production this coming year and in terms of the trade disruptions from the various sanctions and Russian limitations on Ukrainian shipments. So bottom line is we stayed within the trading range that we had on those first 2 days after the invasion all this week. And we had a little back and forth movement that really didn't go anywhere. The market's still trying to sort things out. Keep in mind that we also have the USDA's grain stocks and planting intentions reports coming up on the 31st. The market knows that the surveys are done, but hasn't got a lot of confidence in the planting intentions survey as in terms of how it'll finally turn out. So kind of markets trying to get the cash up, and it's not really working. The board is basically rallied early in the week and then faded late in the week because we weren't seeing any movement on that cash. The hog market set new highs on several contracts this week. We are in the time period when we usually see an increase in slaughter followed by a summer lull in slaughter. Prices tend to work higher through this time period. And the board was certainly anticipating that.
That's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.